As of you all know that DJI action cameras are waterproof and GoPro too, but in this case I am not going to dump this on normal water. Obviously you can see here I have brought some salt too to mix with this water and to test with the salt water. So as of we all know that action cameras are too much easy to dump on seawater also. Seawater is totally salty and everyone is not going to play with clean water. That's why I am going to put some salt, which is most dangerous to electronic goods. So first of all I will say that if I dump normally to the seawater or salt water, nothing will happen to the action camera. As of we all already use in seawater activities and saltwater activities as well as dirty water too, that's not an issue. But my major concern is this Type-C port. My major concern is if I open the charging door, there we can get a Type-C port to charge the action camera and a micro SD slot. My main major concern is if I open this one for several time lapses. As you all know that action cameras batteries don't last that much, more than 90 minutes or so, but if we need some more backup, we need to put a power bank or extra power source to the Type-C port, and for that time we had to remove this door. That's why my main concern is if I open this door, does the action camera remains waterproof or not? Let's see. The main issue is regarding this is if I put the main issue regarding this one is if I want to put the mounting kit over the action camera, always I have to put the mounting kit to put it somewhere else, and for that we will have to put this action camera cage to have a mounting option. So regarding this, I cannot use the battery door along with the action camera. Along with this, I cannot use the battery door along with the mounting cage if I want to charge and use the camera simultaneously. That's why I will have to, for that I will have to remove the battery door totally to use the battery door. Okay, so for that first of all, I am removing this cover to check it with the water, and let me check what happens with it. And first of all I am going to check this with normal. As we all know, it works perfectly under the water when all the things are closed, like a battery door and the charging door and the memory card door, both resides in the same place. And I am trying to connect it. Now it's connected and totally locked, as you can see, and battery is properly installed, and Now I am going to dump it in the water. First of all, I will switch it on, and right now you can see it is working quite perfectly. And if I switch the secondary cam display also, it is also working quite well. So let me dump it into the water. I will have to remove some water so it will spill over the table. Now I can dump it properly into the water, and as you all can see, it is working properly, and it is not fully dumped yet. So let's check. It has been dumped into the water for near about 30 minutes, and still now it is working or not. Let's check. Obviously it will work, though it got switched off. I did not started the recording yet. What happened? It is not switching on. Yeah, it is now switched on. I have not put an SD card though. Let's check. It is working or not. As you all can see, it is working right now, and if I put it with the front screen too, now also it is working. And let's check after dumping with a open charging slot, it will work or not. Let's see. Right now I am going to open the battery door, and I should put a micro SD into it, as of it might be a bit blockage to let the water in. Let's see. As much I can see that some sort of electronics are over there. It can be seen here. So still, let's check what happens. Right now I can show you the pH level of the water. It is quite hard water. Let's see the pH. It is about 312. You can see over here 316 to 312. The pH is 312. So let's open the battery door, charging door. Now I have opened the charging door, and I am going to put a micro SD card into it. So somehow it get blocked, and still it's waterproof or not. I will be pretty much sure. Let me check the micro SD input over here. I have installed a micro SD, and switch on the camera. As much you can see, the micro SD is detected right now here, and I am going to start a video, record a video, not 60 fps at all. I am going to start it on 2.7K, and it will be in 50 fps, right? So in this resolution I am going to start a record and see how it works. Okay, so now the battery so now the charging port and the micro SD slot is this door is opened. I removed the door, it is over here, and now I'm going to dump it into the water, and let's see how it operates. It will be better if I switch back to the front camera, actually front screen. Let's switch it. Now the recording is on, I am slowly dumping it into the water, and still now as we can see it is working. It is totally dumped into the water. Some air bubble came out from the charging slot, and one bubble came, but still it is working. And as we can see, SD card slow write speed. Actually this is a high speed SD card, but I don't know why it is not going to record that. And some sort of a movement, it stopped recording. Let me check it is still working or not, all the things. As much I can see, it is still working. I am switching the display right now, and let me decrease the recording footage. It is, oh, it was 50 fps, that's why it was not working. In 1080p I am going to record it in 50 fps, and Rockset is still off. We don't need it right now. And we again started the recording, and switching the display. Now I am dumping it again into the water without the charging port. Charging port and the SD card port is totally exposed, and again another bubble came out from that port, and but still it is working, and it is recording. It is still recording, as you can see. It's still recording, and let me check. No, now it started recording. It was not recording earlier. Actually the camera is new to me, and I am not that much familiar at all to use this. So please put a like if you liked the video, and do consider to purchase from my links which I am providing in the description. You can order it directly from the DJI website, or you can purchase from the Amazon, and it will help me to make more videos. As of I am going to lose, I guess as of I can end up with a dead action camera right now. So please do consider subscribing, and if you want to purchase this action camera directly from the DJI site or Amazon, do consider purchasing from my link, so that I can get some commission to purchase another, as of this camera is on risk. Again the recording stopped due to the slow write speed of the memory card. This is a slow speed memory card, but it was very old memory card, that's why some problem is arising, but still it is working. I have started the recording again, and now it is recording. SD card slow write speed, again it stopped recording, and I am going to put the FPS to a lower end. As of it is still working. You can see I am going to drop down the FPS so that it can continue the recording. And again I am going to start the recording, but I don't know why it is not recording again. And it seems the memory card is it is working. Some sort of problem I guess is arising, as it is not waterproof. The charging door is not waterproof yet. DJI doesn't recommend to use it in water, exposing the charging and micro SD card door. So still I am checking it is working or not. I guess I have ended up with a dead one. Still I am going to check it with the front screen. No, neither of the screen is working. So I guess the camera is dead right now. No, the camera is dead, totally dead. The camera is not working anymore, and a red light is here showing some error. Let's wipe it in a cloth, and after that let's wipe it, and after that I will remove the battery. I have wiped it, and right now I am going to some sort of water came out from it, and still I guess some water is there, though I did not put any salt into the water. The water is a bit harder end, and it is near about 300 and something pH, so it was a TDS meter though. But now I can remove the battery as if I have cleared the water, and let's see what happened. Actually water came into the battery side also. You can see that battery is also having some water on it, so it is not totally waterproof, but my conclusion is you can use it under the rain, because if the battery door remains like this and some sort of water it can tolerate also, but if you dump it into the water without the battery charging door exposed, if you dump it into the water with this door exposed and not closed yet, the camera will end up with letting the water into it, and it will damage the camera. As of mine is now already damaged, let me connect the door again. And if you use it while charging like this and put a charging cable into it will not do any harm, as of it can tolerate some bit of waterproof still if into the rain, not into dumping into the water. But if you put this into this cage, this mounting cage, you will not be able to use the door opening. Either you will have to remove the door completely, elsewise you will have to put the door. If you put the door, you will not be able to charge it while using. If I put it right now over here like this and without the door, and still I will say as much I dumped into the water, that if you put it into the rain and put a charging cable into it, that will tolerate a bit of waterproofing. You can have a risk to use it in the rain, but I will not suggest you to dump it into the water while the charging door is not present on the action camera. And as much I can see, the camera let the water into the battery connecting cables also, and whatever happened into the internal electronics, the camera is totally dead right now. So let me check again after no more water is coming out from it, and I am putting the battery again into the camera, so I can see that I am going to clean. I have wiped out the battery, and right now I am going to put the battery into the camera. I am putting the battery back to the camera, and let's see it works or not. I think it will not work anymore. Let's see. No, it is not switching on. Not switching on, not the indicator is glowing anymore. So I ended up with a dead action camera, and I don't know what will happen to that. So please do consider purchasing the action camera from my links to achieve a action camera icon, so that I can purchase another action camera. Actually I wanted to know from my own too, and wanted to know you also, that it is waterproof with the charging door open or not. So I took a risk to make the video, but please do consider to purchase the camera from directly. If you purchase directly from DJI, then purchase from my links, elsewise you can purchase from some other links. Hey DJI, just hey DJI, right now I have tried the camera to switch it on again, and done like this, and some water still came out from the SD card slot, and right now I have put the battery again to check it is working or not, and hey, this camera is working right now. You can see, no, it is not working anymore. No, there is a red warning indicator glowing. I don't know what kind of indicator it is, but still now some sort of water again came in from the internal components, and as much you can see some water is there, and I'm wiping it again. It came out with the battery. That means internal components have much more water right now, so I am putting some of those again, and right now no more water is coming out, and no more water is coming out, and I'm going to put the battery again to see. Once the camera came on and switched on, and it was working quite well, though I did not install the SD card yet, but still let's check again. It is switching on or not. No response at all. Let's disconnect the battery again to see some water is coming with the battery or not. Again some water came out with the battery, so I will not suggest to use it under the water with the charging port open. It will totally damage the camera, and some sort of what is DJI is having very big quality. DJI is having very good quality of hardware installed inside the camera, so that it can handle quite a bit of waterproofing too. If somehow water goes inside it, as of it gave me a hope to switch it on again. As of it once switched on off the camera, actually now it is not switching on, so the camera is totally dead right now. So what to do with it? I am right now disconnecting the battery, and again some sort of water came out. In this side the charging port is here, and the battery is getting wet several times this side only, because all the internal components I see, it seems it is here. So as much I can see, it will not work again. So please do consider to purchase the camera from my links below. Again it came some water. Now I guess it will not bring any water. Again it bring with some water. So it is totally damaged. Let it be. Last time I'm going to check it whether it works or not. None of the light is glowing, warning or something like that. That means it is totally dead right now. So I ended up with a dead action camera right now. Now I am going to dump this into water, and not only normal water, I want to make some salt over there.